Hello everyone. In this video we will do exercise 3F of our third chapter, negative numbers and integers. So there are some mixed problem in this exercise, or we can say simplification. So before doing this we have to know few of the rules. See what is that is BODMAS. What it says, that a basic rule you have learned in previous classes also. B stands for bracket, where O means off, D division, M stands for multiplication, A for addition, and S for subtraction. See, now brackets, in brackets you know that there will be line bracket, there will be small bracket, there can be curly bracket, there can be square bracket. So whenever we are going to solve brackets, first we will solve line bracket, then small bracket, then curly bracket, and at last we will solve big bracket. And of means multiply here. So if a question is like this, 225 of 3 into 5. So what we will do, first we will solve this all. We will write 25 into 3. First we will solve this one, then we will multiply this 5 like this. So of means multiply here, division, then we will do division, then we will do multiplication, then we will add and subtract. So in bracket first we will solve like this, or we can write it like this also. Then curly bracket will come, then big bracket means innermost it will be line bracket, after that it will be small bracket, this one will be curly, and outermost bracket will be big bracket, or we can say square bracket. Now come to exercise 3rd F. Question number first is find the question number first is simplify. First part is small bracket 4 into minus 6 bracket close divided by minus 2. Now you know that first what we will solve, bracket. Which bracket is here? Small bracket. So 4 into 6 we will do, plus into minus it will be, and 6 4 ja 24. So minus 24 it will be, divided by minus 2. You know that now if a negative number is divided by a negative number, our result will be positive. So you will divide it, so it will be equal to 12. 12 to the 24. So our answer will be plus 12, and you can write 12 simply. Now come to second part, that is 37 minus 27 divided by 9. 27 divided by minus 9. So how you will do? First small bracket you will solve here. 37 as it is, minus inside the small bracket is, see, positive number divided by negative number, so result will be negative only. And 9 how many times? 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18, 9 3 ja 27. So 3 times it will be. You can divide it separately also like this, 9 divided by 27, 9 3 ja 27, like this also you can do. So it will be 3 like this. So 37 minus into minus it will be plus 3, it will be equal to 40 will be our answer. Now the same way some more parts are here, that is question number 8 I am doing here, eighth part, that is curly bracket start 4 plus small bracket 4 into 5 bracket close divided by minus 2 minus 6 curly bracket close divided by minus 6. So how we can solve? See, first we will solve small bracket, whatever is written inside is small bracket. curly bracket start 4 plus whatever is written inside small bracket, that is 4 into 5, 4 5 is 20. So 20 you can write here. Now divided by minus 2, same you write, minus 6 curly bracket close. Now what is divided by minus 6? Now what you can solve? Whatever is that bracket we have opened, off is no, then division is there. So first we will divide this one inside curly bracket, whatever is 4 plus. Now you know that positive number divided by negative number, so our sign will be negative only. And 2 10s are 20, so 20 divided by 2 will be 10, and minus 6 we will write as it is divided by minus 6. Now what it will be? See 4, and here it will be minus plus into minus, minus 10 and minus 6, and divided by minus 6 only. And now solve this one, curly bracket 4 minus 10 minus 6, it will be plus minus. Now we can do, it will be minus 16 divided by minus 6 inside small bracket. Now 4 plus 4 is, and minus 16 is, so what it will be? It will be minus 12. So minus 12 divided by minus 6. You know that negative number divided by negative number, so our result will be positive, and 6 2 is 12. So 2 will be our answer. Like this you can know, minus 16 minus 12 to 6 2 is 12, minus 12 it will be, so 2 will be your answer. Now come to next, the 10th part. 10th part is little up. 10th, that is 73 of bracket start 85 minus curly bracket start 6 into 7 plus, here I am writing 23 minus 4 of minus 5 whole bracket close. Now see how we will do. Here again I am writing, it is not clear here. 10 73 of big bracket start 85 minus curly bracket start 6 into 7 plus small bracket start 23 minus 4 of minus 5 curly bracket start curly bracket close big bracket close. Now see how you will solve. First you have to solve bracket. So which bracket is? Small bracket is here. So first you will solve this one, 73 of, like this you will write same bracket, you will start 85 as it is minus 6 into 7 plus inside bracket you will solve. So what it will be? 23 minus 4 of means multiply here minus 5. So like this you can write. First you will solve this only. So 73 of, you will write 85 as it is minus curly bracket start 42 it will be plus, now here you can do 23. Now you see here minus into minus plus 4 into 5 20. So curly bracket close big bracket close, it will be equal to 73 of 85 minus, now 42 it is plus, now you can add this 20 plus 20 40 43 it will be. Now your small bracket is open here, curly bracket, and big bracket is remaining only. Now here again 73 of, you will write big bracket start 85 as it is minus, now add both 40 plus 40 80 83 85 it will be. So here curly bracket is open, now only big bracket is remaining. Now you know that 85 minus 85 will be 0. So here you can write 73 of means multiply, and it will be 0. So if we are multiplying a number with 0, our result will be 0 only. Like this we can solve the remaining part of exercise 3rd up.
Thank you.